Mandated to grow South Africa's manufacturing capacity with a particular focus on the automotive industry, this innovative and crucial economic zone fits seamlessly into the priorities of the South African Economic Reconstruction and Recovery Plan. It plays a catalytic role in extending economic participation across the Tshwane region, opening up multiple opportunities for SMMEs, cooperatives, and promoting skills development together with the transferal of technological expertise in the automotive manufacturing industry. TESSES is a living, green and productive city, offering unparalleled connectivity, state-of-the-art facilities, supportive services with world-class manufacturing and logistics infrastructure. Spanning over 204 hectares of total developmental space, TESSES is strategically located in Silverton, northeast of the Gauteng-Tshwane region, adjacent to some of the largest OEMs in South Africa, such as Ford Motor Company, BMW, Nissan, Renault, Tata, Ithesho, and UD Trucks.
Abantu bathesha ngeindlela eziningi ezihlukahlukene ukuze balale bedlile. Abanye bafundile, abanye abafundile. Kodwa akekho ongcono kunomunye. Uhlelo Ithesho lami my hustle lizovundulula inhlobo ezihlukene zamathesho. Sizwe kulabo abaziqhubayo ukuthi benza kanjani. Through this show, we want to expose the youth yaseMzansi to a variety yemisebenzi khona bezokwazi ukwenza wise career choices besabancane. Nawe makukhona ihustle ofuna siyiveze sibhalele ku@gabisatv@gmail.com. Leli Ithesho lami my hustle.
Thesha waya 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 waya.
For me, it was a dream of becoming better and being one of the best if I can in the township that I grew up in.
The Special Economic Zone is spearheaded by the highly educated Dr. Bheka Zulu, who obtained his PhD in 2022. Lo mjida i-outer relaxile yazalelwa kaMashu yakhulela naselokishini laseNtuzuma. The hardness and temptations of the township never deterred him from aiming for success. We all know that growing up in a township has many disadvantages that can potentially turn good into bad. Kumnandi kuba nabantu abafana nabo Dr. Bheka Zulu who continue to be role models kwintsha yasemalokishini.
Hola bafethu, igama ukafisa khuluze uhlelo Ithesho lami my hustle. Lalela ke namhlanje siphethe inkuzbalanga CEO of one of the 11 special economic zones akhona la eMzansi. Lalela izalwa khona la elokishini kaMashu inkuzbalanga. Ndabezitha uDr. Bheka Zulu lo bafethu. Kuhamba kanjani bro wami?
Shap ngikabisa ngisakwazi wena.
Shap phela namhlanje uNdabezitha ubro wami ngoba sila eKasi kusasa uzobe seyiCEO mase silapha eTshwane. Hey mfethu angitshele ngokukhula kwakho.
Mfethu ukhulela esinqanqaweni uyazi. Kunzima esinqanqaweni, ziningi ama pressures akhona, fanele ukuconforme, ufane namajita, ube yonke into ofanele kube khona
style islu, gcina uluze ifocus.
Yonke le nto uyayazi. So egcineni ke kubalekile ukuthi fanele wazi ukuthi wena maphuma elokishini ufuna ukwenzana empilweni. Ziningi into ezikudonsa ngapha nangapha, ubumnandi na zonke izinto. Neintombi zonke izinto.
Manje Ndabezitha wena wakwazi kanjani ukuthi ubhithe lama societal challenges ngoba lento isizofana nokuthi usuthiphisa intsha ngoba nakho phela namhlanje wena udokotela une PhD yabona kodwa uqhamuka khona kule mgwaqo le.
Mfethu into ebalekile ovuke kusena uthandaze one and most uthandazile at least uyakwazi ukucela komdala ukuthi indlela kufanele kube njani uma ukuthi ukhonza abaphansi cela labaphansi ukuthi bakukhanyisela indlela zakho.
Ndabezitha
emva kwalokho ke usuyakwazi ukufocusa ube namaphupho. You must have dreams, you must have plans, ube nama ambitions in life, wazi ukuthi ekugcineni ufuna ukusuka la uyephi. Ayikho into ebalekile nokuthi ube ne path, whether the plan, whether the career path or the plan.
Ehamba futhi ne time management kakhulu. Acute.
Yebo, na kanjani ngoba phela isikhathi sibalekile ukuze ungadlula isikhathi life yonke into ofanele wenze sure ukuthi uyenza ngesikhathi.
asiyivale indaba ezitha ngoba sesitholile kancane ukuthi ukhule endaweni enjani. Manje kusasa soqhubeka nayo le Tshwane ususitshela kahleke manje ngeTESSES ukuthi yini inhloboni yesilwane leyo. Manje thina sibamba ibhasi sinyuka ngo-N3 wena ke vele ngoba umuntu wamajet uyandiza sobamba neTshwane.
Sharp
Shafuke indaba ezitha.
Sure. Right, sure.
Hello CEO, babamba ama-flights thina kumele sigudla ngebhomba. Kodwa ke into emnandi ibhomba lethu li-branded, abantu bayalibona Ithesho, bayazi ukuthi Ithesho liyathesha. Olaba hustlers, yes, siphakathi eBenini ePitoli bafethe eTshwane. Phela izolo sihlukana nodokotela yena wababindiza machine. Thina sagudla phansi ngebhasi. Namhlanje ke sisema-ofisini abo sizothola kabanzi ngomsebenzi wabo. Asisho. Ngimbambe qathatha udokotela sisema-ofisini amakhulu ama-big boardrooms sikhuluma bafethe into yangempela. Baba, awusitshele Mageba. Yini TESSES?
It's a special economic zone where we assist investors, big business and small business ukuze bathrive bakwazi ukuthi babe part of the mainstream economy within the automotive sector. This environment yenza sure ukuthi small businesses are able to tap in from a manufacturing perspective and also bakwazi ukuthi ba-export so that ama-goods bakwazi ukufika overseas ukuze bakwazi ukucontribute towards i-global supply chain ye-automotive. Phase 1, investment eyenziwe from a government was around 3.6 billion. And investment from the private sector that we attracted by inviting our private sector is sitting at about 4.5 billion. That's amount of investment that has happened with special economic zone yethu.
Wena ukuzukwazi ukumanage i-operation enkulu kanje. Udingani ngoba phela udokotela wena okushuthi incwadi ibalekile.
Incwadi ibalekile ngoba ekugcineni udila nge-investment yabantu who are big businesses. One of our biggest investor is Ford. Second biggest manufacturing outside USA. So that
second biggest manufacturing outside USA.
Je.
Ilito wena leyo nto awudaba ezithi.
Yebo, ilinto yimina ngisuka lesinqanqaweni.
Wafundani nje Mageba wena esikoleni mawuthi mina ngisayofunda uMageba eqeda ka matric wenzani njobe sewudokotela?
Imfundo yami ibe kwi-science kakhulu. Ngangithanda i-maths ne-science ngisemncane.
Isiqenqo Mageba bafethu.
So i-part of ukusebenza ngeinamba bekuyiphathi impilo yami. So part of that ngafocus what we call nautical science. Babizwa ngokuthi maritime studies these days.
Yes.
That's where career started, where ocean economy. And then after that ngenza ifundo ye-BTech ye-finance and strategy. Emva kalokho ngenza i-postgraduate in public management.
Yes.
Emva kalokho ngenza MBA. Emva kalokho ngenza another masters maritime, which is MCOM. So Master of Commerce in Maritime. And then ngenza i-PhD yami that is focusing on the ocean economy.
Lalela ndaba ezithole sambe siyobona iplant ngijahe kabi ukuyobeka inyawo zami kule ndawo, the first automotive city in Africa.
All ranges of science, export, technology, it's what you're going to see ku-SEZ yethu.
Asishone khona ndaba ezitha. Asishone khona. Namhlanje ngihamba ngemoto yakho, izolo usishiyile wagibela ibhanoyi. Namhlanje ngihamba nawe siya lapha kwi-plant.
Ngihamba nawe namhlanje. Sibona khona.
Shapa mfethu. Aba no CEO sibamba ama-Porsche baba. Moja ke ma-hustlers, lalela undaba ezitha usangilethela e-Automotive Industry Development Center. La sengithola inkuzimalanga uFahim ekuyiyona ekhona kwi-day to day of the running of this institution. Bob, tell us, what is the AIDC?
The AIDC is a subsidiary of the Gauteng Growth Development Agency. The center was put up to develop the automotive sector in Gauteng. This is an incubation program that falls under the AIDC to develop BE suppliers in the automotive sector.
ngiphethe inkunzi malanga la umlondi chiya omunye wama incubators naye khona into ayakhayo la uyaxhaswa uyasupportwa ukuze igcine iphumelelile. Baba awusitshele ngaleli business lakho kwenzakalani la eNomtech Automotive?
Inomtech Automotive is subcontracted by Tier 1 Hanon Systems, and we assemble HVAC, which is the component responsible for the heating, ventilating and air conditioning in the new Ford Ranger that you now see in the roads.
Yabona kule Automotive City ayikho into ongayitholi. Manje ngiphethe impintshi yami entsha sha umphohlongwane. Lalela lo muntu is in position of MBA kanti manje she's studying towards i-doctorate yakhe. Hey ungambuka unganaki wena wathola kanjani kale program?
No, yiyo le ndaba le yasesikolweni. I walked to their offices, I knocked, I asked about the program. They told me that no, come around later this year and put in your application if you qualify. Then yeah, fast forward, I have my own company here.
Ayibo, i-company yakho, what are the milestones? Usuqasha abantu abangaki? Mhlawumbe what are some of the success stories?
We currently have 78 employees. What makes us unique is that trying to eradicate youth unemployment.
Yes.
80% of our employees are actually engineering graduates. So we're trying to
graduates.
Yes. So we're trying to give them exposure to the industry.
I joined the program from 2019 without a registered company, so my company got registered. So I started at the program, got my company registered, got VAT registered, I got to have employees complying with the Department of Labor, have systems running with the support to AIDC. Now we've got over 100 employees and started here with 33 employees.
Ayibo bafethu niyayizwa bafethu into sayo. Le ndoda isikhondla khondla siqasha abantu abawu100 siyafika la ihlathi ingazilutho. Angithi uyasibona ukubaluleka kwesikole bafethu ukuthi sometimes isikole siyakwazi ukuthi sikuvulele eminye iminyango ngoba ukube wayengenayo le mechanical engineering ngabe ukuphi manje. Mfethu istory sakho siyas-inspire. Keep going. Sifisela inhlanhla iNomtech Automotive.
Thank you so much.
Danke futhi.
We've done a lot with local communities. Part of our strategy, we've signed what we call a social compact, which is an agreement between ourselves and the communities that we serve. And we've laid down in black and white that we are going to do X, Y, Z. We name all these activities that we're going to be engaged. It's a two-way stream. It's an agreement between ourselves and the community. It's not a one-way stream. We're not telling the community what we're going to do. They're also telling us what they want from us. And part of that, we've employed CLOs, which are community liaison officers, which talks to every corner of our community.
There's 9 of us. It's basically to ensure that our people and local businesses get jobs, as well as benefit from the corporate social responsibility from the project.
Big ups to TESSES.
Yes.
Yasebenza TESSES nawe ivumela ama CLO.
Yeah.
So manje youth iyawathatha lama opportunity bisiwasebenzisa ngendlela.
Yes, iyawathatha ama opportunities because khona manje sinama skill transfers wenzayo. Sinama training oferayo ku community yethu. So sizama ngendlela zonke ukuqeda indlala emphakathini wakithi.
Lalela uyihero yami yabonga. Umsebenzi omuhle.
We also know about the SMMEs that are struggling, that want to be part of the chain, and we bring them on board, we empower them, we make sure that this good story that we've told, and I still remain the good story of a 1 billion that we've contributed to SMMEs. We currently have more than 3,100 jobs that we've created in our SEZ, permanent jobs, and it's still growing. As recent as last week, we recruited more than 500 youngsters into our SEZ, and the 300 plus SMMEs that were empowered in the construction from being grade 1s to grade 4s. Some are progressing to be grade 5, CIBD grading 5 and 6. That is part of the contribution, because we know once they have those gradings, they can get jobs anywhere across the country, and that's a part of contribution. And we know if you employ an SMME, you employ a lot of people in the value chain.
Started off with 10 portable toilets for 2 months, and then I reinvested, and today I can comfortably say I've got over 150 portable toilets from this project.
Phase 2 will have an automotive campus, a fully fledged campus that is going to skill people
in the SEZ. This is the first of its kind that we're going to have in the SEZ, where we are focused on cultivating the relevant skills for the sector that we're in to grow the pool, the talent, because these careers becomes Ithesho for life for some of us. You know, that's where we slot ourselves in.
If you want to set your foot in the automotive sector, here are some of the institutions that offer relevant studies. Manje-ke bafethu, Ithesho on the go. La si-encourage abantu abanezinhlelo ezinenqubekela phambili ukuthi basibize phela sizoyikhava ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi sakhe i-insert esizoyifaka kwi-full episode.
Hola lapho ma-hustlers, hola muntu omusha. Yazi ngikuphi namhlanje ngise-Curry's Fountain Stadium phansi eThekwini Banana. Umnyango phela wezokuthutha KwaZulu-Natal kanye ne-Community Safety and Liaison basungule uhlelo oluyingqayizivele oluzoqasha intsha liphinde liyisize futhi kulithuthukise amakhono. Libizwa ngesithesha waya and guess what? Siliphethe la kwi-Ithesho lami my hustle. Lo hlelo so far selicreate amathuba emsebenzi over 6,000. Lalela into serious lelo othi silibamba ukuthi ikhiphani ngalo. Lo hlelo lisungulwe khona la eKwaZulu-Natal kodwa the national office is fully behind this initiative.
We can even take it to other provinces to say we can't not know as to who we are assisting and empowering.
Asilali mfethu sithesha waya njengoba ubona siyavaya 89,000 people, not only 6,000. This is just a sample.
Sibize nje ama-district ambalwa sizokhombisa ukuthi uhulumeni lo waZulu-Natal usewakhandile amathuba omsebenzi kubantu abasha nabadala.
People are recruited in different programs of government, including EPWP, CWP, Zibambele, Wibambe, all these programs. So they are intended to respond to the plight of the unemployed.
Ekuhambeni kwethu sivundulula intsha esizakele, sifike nasendaweni yasemakhaya eNdwedwe la esibone khona ngempela i-impact enayo le program.
Ngiyafunda part-time ngemali engithola kumali kaMnyango wa transport hayi khona yenzeka nje sengi-right nje Nkosi yami.
We are grateful for the opportunities because it's reset when we are staying at home.
Kunoshintsho oluningi ozokwenzeka kunoshintsho vele oselenzekile kwabanye bethu esisebenza nabo including myself.
Ngiyabonga kuMnyango for ukunginika leli thuba ukuthi ngibe exposed to i-work environment.
Iliphi onalo ongalishiya nenja?
Ngiyafisa ukuthi kubantu abasha sithesha waya abenze isiqiniseko sokuthi baziphatha kahle balalele ama-program esiwenzayo ngoba sifisa ukuthi sibaqhashe. Kevin South Road sithesha waya. Wayithola kanjani? Uhlele ekhoneni.
Ithesha waya.
Balingakafiki kuwena ithuba ungadikibali mfethu ngoba uKZN provincial government as a whole ziningi ezinye inhlelo anazo ezizothuthukisa intsha nawe ungagcina usukwazi ukungena kuzona because they are planning to leave no one behind. Lo hlelo lizophinde ligxileke ekuthuthukiseni intsha ngamakhono bakwazi ukufaka ama-CV ba-apply emnyangweni. So asiwathintitheni ama-CV ethu otherwise uzoyithola kanjani uhlele ekhoneni. Sesithi lo mnyango waka Department of Transport, Community Safety and Liaison wakha imisebenzi yamampela. Ithesha waya leli Ithesho on the go. Ivale mfana. Salute. Nazo-ke ma-hustlers, sekunika ama-hustlers i-chance manje ukuthi amakhetha ama-hustles awo usithumelela a 30-second WhatsApp video ephelezelwa yiy'thombe eziwu-5. Kule video usitshela nge-hustle yakho yenzani itholakalaphi. Yonke leyo information uyisenda via WhatsApp to 074 269 2438. Washa?
Hi, I'm Augusta Machita from Automotive Kids, and we make baby shoes out of leather, so all of our products are made out of leather. You can find us on Instagram at @Bonative_kids, and we also sell our products like clicks. So guys, this is Ithesho Love Mahasa.
Mawudinga ukuxhumana neThesho Lami My Hustle, siyatholakala kuma platforms e-social media kanti ungasibhalela an email to kabisatv@gmail.com. Usendele WhatsApp to 074-269-2438. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube page, Kabisa TV. Washa.
Igama lami Dr. Bheka Zulu. I'm the CEO of the Tshwane Automotive Special Economic Zone. This is Ithesho Lami, My Hustle. See you next time.
Labantu benza impact yangempela umageba nethimba lakhe benza umsebenzi omkhulu okutshengisa khona ukuthi bafethu imfundo singayilahli mawusanalo ithuba lokufunda ekhona ama means buyela esikoleni ngoba izokuthatha ikubeke Samuel lo muntu uzalelwe lokishi la kaMashu akana background etheni kodwa yena usezakhele ikusasa eliqhakazile lolu hlelo Ithesho Lami My Hustle kanti mina ngugabisa khuluse out.
We love Ithesho Lami My Hustle.
Kwi-episode elandelayo yeThesho Lami My Hustle. Khondla bafethu umuntu oyimele i-ink area bafethu lo mjita mfethu wangena kwi-commercial scene emva kokuthi esayinwe i-Native Rhythms ngo-2011 siyaza hayi wawudla zonke inhlobo yesicoco underground.
Bengimubi kakhulu yeah yona into ebalekile hip hop iqala lapho bese unyuka la
idla kakhulu inyama sikhumbula ngithi asenze show wathi mina ngeke mfethu umzimba wami ayi-lockdown
wathi ngifuna wona
sasegymini
yeah baby.
Sila eBet Center ke manje sobonana naye uzako siqhubeke naye sizwe istory sakhe. Bazwa fresh umoya kuyasho ukuthi angikho elokishini. Hayi
thina besisenza ama hip hop shows like high, you know, and I was like abafuthi masingasinika space nje sifake studio and bona bebe like hayi ungazoqala istudio esisha ukhulume nobhuti omdala ubantwini.
Yebo, hayi Ithesho Lami awashe
Ama success stories hood versus hood asebe khona semaningi.
Uthini kaThesho Lami baba likuvakashele baba.
Wethu ngijabulile ngiyabonga nje kakhulu bafowethu lento eniyenzayo yenza babone nomphakathi ukuthi it's not just ukuthi siyarapha nje kuphela siza umphakathi siphinde sinaka amakhali ethu ngapha nangapha.
Kuyasetshenzwa baba.
Ithesho Lami.
Danko.
We love Ithesho Lami.